Gonna make the naan bread. So just got the wee active yeast, 3.5 grams, so half a sachet of grams, add 125 mils of water. I'm just gonna leave that for 5 minutes to sort of activate. I'm just gonna add a large sort of teaspoon of honey. Just add that to your yeast and water mixture, fine. And then I've got my 250 grams of strong flour, make sure it's strong flour. Higher gluten content in it, so mix that in, just basically dissolve that. I'm gonna leave that to sit for 5 minutes. Then we've got 45 grams of butter, which we're just gonna melt down, which is gonna go into your naan. And then basically we're just gonna combine all this together here, mix it, leave it to rise for about an hour and a half. So that's just left for about 5 minutes, the yeast, honey and the water. So the honey will just speed that process up a wee bit. So leave it for about 5 minutes, it'll start to foam a wee bit. Then we're just going to pour that in, make a wee sort of well around the outside. So got our butter, our yeast mixture, and natural yogurt, just a couple of tablespoons, about three or four tablespoons. And literally all I'm going to do is combine this together, just with a fork, just so it comes to like basically like a dough. And then we're just going to knead it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so guys, once that's all combined, just flour your workbench. Make sure your hands covered in flour, just because it's quite a sticky mix. Okay, so and literally what we're just going to do here is just knead this for about 3, 4, 5 minutes. And then what we're going to do, just keep it, if that sticks, just put a bit more flour down. Sticking quite a wee bit, mix just a wee bit wet. So just knead this here for 5 minutes, and then what we're going to do, I've actually just opened the oven door there. You want to let this rise in sort of like a warm area, but to speed it up a wee bit, I've just turned the oven on, and all I'm going to do is put it on the door of the oven with the oven door open, just to speed it up, so it'll only take about an hour, hopefully. Okay guys, so I've just basically needed that there just for 5 minutes, just till there's a wee bit of spring, a wee bit of bounce back there. Just going to flour, lightly flour, preferably if you're doing this at the oven, a metal bowl. Literally all I'm going to do is just basically leave that there for an hour, and then we'll come back to it. Once that's sort of doubled in size, we're ready to go. So, floured surface. As I say, this is the first time I've ever made naan bread. So what you're going to do is just knock that back. Okay. Just get that into a bit more flour there, yeah. And we're just literally going to split this into 4. So I use an old knife. So I'm just going to go a bit of flour in your knife, stick it. Just rough, you don't have to weigh these out to be precise. It's only in the house like. So I'm just going to put a bit too much flour in there. It's just going to be really rough here. Slightly different sizes, look. So I've turned the oven on there to 200 degrees. So now guys, just if you don't have a rolling pin, you can just do it with your hands here. Do you know what I mean? So it don't have to be a perfect shape. So just roll them out. I've got a pan on here, medium to low heat. And what I've done is I've melted down a wee bit of butter. I've put a wee bit of 1 garlic clove, minced up very finely, and some chopped coriander into it, which we're just going to brush over these ends. So just roll these out. So you can nearly do these an hour beforehand, and then it's just a matter of getting reheating the oven, because there's a wee bit to do, getting everything ready at the same time. Okay, so once they're sort of rolled out, they don't have to be too precise, mine aren't. So I'm just going to put a wee bit of oil in this pan. As I say, make sure it's a non-stick pan as well. So you can dry roast them, but I'm going to do it with the oil. So oil in, medium to low heat. We just got to do one at a time, so you're better off doing these sort of an hour before, and then just sort of heating them up. And then we're just going to give them a couple of minutes each side. Okay guys, so just flip the naan bread. So just make sure it sort of gives a nice wee colour.